Friends, Saroj Nandan Shiksha Vikas Samit presents this video on the subject Management Accounting. This video is very useful for the top management of any organization, for the students of MBA, for the students of CA, and for the students of Indian Institute of Banking and Finance and the bankers in a large numbers. What is management accounting? As per the American Accounting Association, the definition given for the management accounting is as follows. Slowly I am giving the definition. The application of appropriate technique and concept in processing historical and projected economic data of an entity to assist management in establishing plans of reasonable economic objectives in the making of rational decisions with a view towards achieving these objectives. Very meaningful definition. Now, I will like to tell you what is the role of management accounting. The management accounting helps the management in following 4-5 areas. It guides the management to fix most appropriate objectives for the company and also ensure that the objectives set at different levels are aligned. It helps in developing alternative course of action. It provides data or information about the alternative courses of action. It provides tools to evaluate the alternative courses of action. It guides the management in implementing the best course of action. It provides tools for performance measuring. It provides information and tools for taking corrective action. Gentlemen, this video is not meant for only the person who are engaged in accounting, but it is meant for all, and this is the top management subject. I will like to discuss the decision making process. What is the decision making process? The most important function of management are decision making, planning, and controlling. The future of a company or organization is a result of the decisions taken today by the management. A wrong decision may take the company to a dead end. Hence, being cautious is of utmost importance before taking a decision. Two things in this context are, what is the two things? Adapting a systematic methodology or process for taking decision. It will differ from, organization to organization, but it must be obtaining full information relevant and required for the decision. In this section, we will look at these two aspects of decision making and also see how management accounting helps to achieve this. The quantity, quality, relevance, dependability, and timeliness of the information produced and provided by the management accounting are of vital importance to the management in taking correct decision. Therefore, understanding the decision-making process is a necessary precedent to understanding management accounting. Gentlemen, definitely one by one has to understand the meaning and other required quality of the management. Now, the function of the management account. What is the function of the management accounting? The first function is forecasting and planning. Second one is controlling the performance. Now, coordination is also necessary for the such management accounting and top management. Other function is management accounting serves in a number of other ways. It supplies useful information to different functional authorities. It provides accounting information and advice for price determination and pricing decision. It also helps in making certain strategic decision regarding seasonal or temporary suspension of production, make or buy decision, replacement decision. It's a very, very important thing like that. Now, beyond this points, we may discuss various other parts also, like I mentioned that decision regarding seasonal or temporary suspension of the production, make or buy decision, replacement decision. This is the part of the cost accounting. So cost accounting, when we will get a chance to explain you the cost accounting thing, that this will serve your further purpose. Now, tools for management accounting. What is the tools for management accounting? The management accounting provides several tools or techniques to the management for managing its function, particularly planning and controlling. What is that planning and controlling? Traditional tools. Following are the traditional tools for management accounting. What is that traditional tools? Again, these traditional tools require some knowledge of the things which I am going to tell you. Ratio analysis. It helps management in keeping track of the expenses, profitability, solvency position. I will definitely give you more information on the ratio analysis when we will come on that chapter. Another is the fund flow analysis. The fund flow analysis, it helps in a critical evaluation of the changes in the working capital and other things like that. Where the fund have come, where the fund has gone, whether you are using this fund in the short-term usage or long-term usage, or what is your short-term usage, what is your long-term usage. Like that, there are various. So I will definitely discuss this fund flow analysis, and in that video I will explain more about the fund flow analysis. Another is cash flow analysis. Cash flow analysis, it is the short-term things that it helps in a critical evaluation of the changes in the cash. This marginal costing, it also the techniques like that. Now, the budgetary control. This budgetary control is also necessary. It involves preparation of budget in advance for the purpose of controlling cost. Again, while preparing the budget, you must be very, sincere, and it should be achievable budget like that, not that only data, but preparing the budget is also a quality So on the budgetary system also there are a few chapters which you may take interest and you may go through this video on the budgetary control system. Another is standard costing. It is a technique of controlling costs. It imposes predetermined costs for production of the goods and services and insists on adhering to such predetermined cost. Now again, this responsibility accounting. The responsibility accounting, it is a system under which costs are calculated and reported at each level of responsibility. The accounting costs may be used by management at each level for controlling the operation and the cost. Another